Use good quality rice. Choose a short grain rice, like jasmine or basmati, that has a sticky texture when cooked. This will help the grains stick together and hold the flavors of the other ingredients. Cook the rice properly. To ensure the best texture and flavor, rinse the rice thoroughly before cooking and use a 1 minute and 1.5 seconds ratio of water to rice. Cook the rice until it is tender and then let it sit for 10 minutes before fluffing and adding to the pan. Use cold, leftover rice. Fried rice tastes best when the grains are slightly dry and separate. Using leftover rice that has been refrigerated will help to achieve this texture. Add flavor with soy sauce and oyster sauce. These two ingredients will add a lot of depth and savory flavor to the dish. Be sure to add them at the end of cooking to avoid over-seasoning. Use fresh vegetables. Fresh vegetables, like bell peppers, onions, and peas, add a crunchy texture and bright flavor to the dish. Chop them into small pieces to ensure even cooking and distribution. Add protein. Fried rice is a great way to use up leftover proteins, like chicken, shrimp, or tofu. If using raw protein, be sure to cook it fully before adding it to the pan. Scramble the eggs. Adding scrambled eggs to the pan will help to bind all of the ingredients together and create a creamy texture. Be sure to scramble the eggs fully before adding them to the pan. Use a wok or large pan. Fried rice requires a lot of stirring and tossing, so it is best to use a pan with high sides and a wide base, like a wok or large skillet. Be patient. Fried rice requires a bit of patience, as you need to cook each ingredient separately before combining them all together. But the end result is worth the effort. Experiment with spices and herbs. Fried rice is a great canvas for experimenting with different flavors. Try adding spices like chili flakes or herbs like cilantro or basil to give the dish an extra kick of flavor.